Hello everyone, Jonathan Schlack, EAS&Weather here, with a severe weather update. We have an enhanced risk for severe weather today that encompasses parts of southeastern North Carolina and extreme northeastern South Carolina. There's a slight today that covers southern Virginia, much of North Carolina, and a small part of South Carolina, and there's a marginal risk today that encompasses far southeastern Maryland, central Virginia, as well as southwest Virginia, southeastern West Virginia, a small part of North Carolina, and a very small part of South Carolina. So, going to the tornado threat for today, there is a 10% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses southeastern North Carolina and the very small part of extreme northeastern South Carolina. There is a 5% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses southeastern Virginia, much of North Carolina, and a small part of South Carolina. And finally, there is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses far southeastern Maryland, central Virginia, southwestern Virginia, southeastern West Virginia, a small part of North Carolina, and a very small part of South Carolina. And this is all associated with what is now Tropical Storm Helene. Helene, by the way, made landfall on the Big Bend of Florida last evening as a Category 4 storm with winds of 140 miles per hour. Because it's over land now, it is weakened to a tropical storm. Going to the wind, there is no wind threat for today, and there is no hail threat for today. So tornadoes are the biggest threat with the severe weather today, and that is again associated with Tropical Cyclone Helene. Going to the summary for today, tornadoes will be most likely through midday and remain possible into afternoon across parts of the Carolinas and Virginia. So, anyway, that's about it. Saturday and Sunday both have just general thunderstorms, so if Saturday and Sunday both remain general thunderstorms, I will not have a video until the next day with at least a marginal. So, whenever that is. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas today, and again, my next video will depend on when the next marginal risk will be, because again, both Saturday and Sunday just have general thunderstorms, so, but if one or two of those days, if tomorrow has a marginal and is being upgraded to a marginal, then I will have a video tomorrow. But we'll see what happens. We'll see if both Saturday and Sunday remain general thunderstorms, or we see a marginal. So, stay safe, and I will see you when I see you. Take care.